Hi there. Let's take a look at your constructed response item for the poem in a library. And I'm at home, so I'm sorry. You might hear some people talking and the dogs and things like that. Okay? So explain why books are important to the speaker. And every single prompt is going to end with this same sentence. Use information from the poem to support your explanation. Or it'll say use information from the passage to support your explanation. All right? So your job is to explain why books are important to the speaker. And you want to start off on the right foot with a clear topic sentence. So let's just review. Always start with your prompt, obviously. And from your prompt, ask yourself, is it phrased as a question? Sorry, is prompt a question? And of course, in our case, it is not. Okay, so the answer is no. As a result, we need to very carefully, so as not to change the prompt or drop anything off, we need to carefully rephrase the prompt in the form of a question. Okay? Sorry, my husband's online with customer support for my bike. You might be able to hear the guy in form of a question. All right, and it's pretty simply done. You can say, why are books important to the speaker? Okay. Now you need to rephrase part of the question. You need to answer it and start by rephrasing part of the question. Oh, my word. Answer, A-N-S-W-E-R. Okay. Start by rephrasing part of the question. Add that to your answer. Partial rephrasing. Rephrase part of the question, add that to your answer, and that should give you, the result should be a clear topic sentence with which to begin your paragraph. Okay? Now you need it to be kind of an overview, not too specific yet. There's a fine line between, what's too broad and what's too specific. You want to think of your topic sentence just like you'd think of your thesis for a longer paper. The same can be said for both. Your topic sentence is like an umbrella under which all of your examples and explanations and support should fit. Okay? So it's got to be overreaching enough to encompass all the details and examples that you want to use throughout the poem. Make sure that you do not use in-text citations. There is no in-text citation on the Keystone exam because they're giving you the passage, so they know what you're using, okay? And if we look at the rubric and make sure that, let's go back to that, sorry. You're going to see that it's a little different than the Emma rubric because it's, they've taken some specifics. You're still going to see clear, complete, and accurate explanation. And all they change is here, what I'll put in yellow. All they change is they put the prompt right there, okay? The rest, what's in green is the same, relevant and specific information. For a 2, you've got your partial explanation, limited information, and you may have some inaccuracies. A 1 and a 0 we don't want, but it's minimal, little to no information, and inaccuracies. And if you have a 0, you are completely off base, incorrect, or irrelevant. So, really, guys, it's the same rubric. All they do is add in a little snippet in each box that connects directly to whatever prompt you're answering. Make sure you refer to specifics in the text, and as many as you can come up with. But this is one paragraph starting with a clear, concise topic sentence. And I will let you get started, and I will see you tomorrow. And at that point in time, we can start class Wednesday by letting you ask some questions. Take care.